Hey fam, welcome back to the channel Keeping It Caprice. If you're new here, I do natural hair, lifestyle, and motivational talks. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It'll be a blessing to have you join this family. If you hear my daughters in the background, I really do apologize. So y'all, this is the before. This is my daughter's hair. Um, she worn it maybe close to a month, and it's grown out, it's dry, it's not looking cute at all, and there is nothing I can do to keep it looking fresh but to redo her hair. And this is what this video is all about. So let's go ahead and redo her hair. So yes, that means I have to moisturize and take down each braid and rebraid her hair. Okay, y'all? So yeah, it's gonna take a while, but not as long as starting from scratch. All right. So let's get into this video. So I'm gonna spray it with water. Water is hydration. When you have natural hair, please use water. Water is the base of anything that you need done to your hair. So please use water. So I hydrated with water, and then I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and grease her scalp. So I got some Blue Magic grease, and I'm gonna grease her scalp because her hair is a little dry and it's due for some moisture. I'm trying to do better on moisturizing my kids' hair because I'm decent at doing my hair, but I have to think about all my kids as well. And so I said, let me go on ahead and just grease her scalp. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just greasing her scalp, and then I'm going to take out a braid. I have to take the bead off. I have to take the braid down, comb it out, and then I'm going to use some braiding gel just to slick up the edge there, and then I'm going to do a braid, and I'm just showing y'all in real time, pretty much real time, on how I do one braid, and then we're going to speed it up after that because it's just a repetitive thing. I also want to keep in mind that if you want to take two braids down at a time to fix the parting, especially doing the kids' hair, because you know how parts be crooked, that is your opportunity to do so. But I chose not to because I ain't got time for all of that. And for some reason, she wants to be cute and she wants her hair done. But going through the process, she started to get impatient. And she used to be that age where you sit there the whole time. So, like I said, no, I'm gonna save me the headache, her the headache, and just do one braid at a time and just move on. So, just keep that in mind if you want to do that, just to make it cute. Or you can also, while it's already recorded, you can do something different, pink or whatever you want. You do already did, but I just decided to do it exactly the way that it is. So, yeah. This is the final look, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. She is cute. It's fresh. It's moisturized. Those braids are very tight and pretty, just the way she likes it. I'm showing y'all what it looks like before I put some mousse and spritz on it because it's wet usually when I do my reveal. Every time I put mousse on it and stuff, so I want y'all to see what it look like before I put it on there. Now I put mousse on there because it's supposed to help with threads and keep it intact, and then I put spritz on there so it'll have some hold and it can last a little bit longer. Thank y'all for watching this video. I appreciate all your support. Please share it with somebody and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all and be blessed.